simple. I'm gonna play this app. This has nothing to do with anything. I've tried to record other apps, turned it into really long or really short. So I'm just gonna play like 3 rounds of this. I don't know. I'll play 1 Jellyfish Fields, Rock Bottom, and Goo Lagoon. But I go like 1, 2, 3, like 1 Jellyfish. Skip. Play. Yeah, I won't play this round because it's like the most stupid one. Because obviously it is Lava Blue. Pick level. I will go to level 3 and I'll go 2 to 1. Like a boss. Not much boss in there though. Get in there. Yes, bounce off my body. Yes, bounce off this. Dang it. Come on. 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 Get the other one. Oh, that's the first time I've hit. No. Redo. Try to get above his head now. Oh, dang it. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. Yes. Collect those. Them coins. Yeah, buddy. Boy. That was like the worst round I've had of that though. Like seriously. Like seriously. Yay, lots of coins. Please don't miss. Please. Oh my gosh. Come on. Yes. So it's just me and you. Oh my gosh. Come on. Yes. I did it. I did it. Yes. Oh, I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you. Move it, fat guy. Boop. Yeah, I did SpongeBob. I don't know if you heard what he said. I'm sorry, last time I saw it, you didn't hear the game at all. He said, yeah, that worked perfectly. In his SpongeBob voice. Jellyfish are awesome. Apparently this game is ultimately hard all of a sudden. This is going to poop. Please. No. Please. I wasn't getting any coins for the game. I'm going to try to get the full version. Maybe. Dang it. At least you got the one I got out before. Phew, I hope I can get him and I don't fail. Yes, I didn't. I'll play like 4 more at the most. There we go. See. It's gonna make me sad if this turns out bad. just the free version. There we go. Got him there. No! Poop it. Just one more time. He said okie dokie, wokie dokie. Oh my gosh, like this is... Okay, one more time, because you have to admit that was ridiculous. How about I'll just do a different level then. I'll do downtown numero. I'll do Goo Lagoon 3. Boom. How is that so hard now? Ew. Luck, please come to me. Or not. Or not. Just one more time on this one. Right there. Okay, so 2 tries to do this twice. Comes around. Now! Come on! Yes! No! Boop. Fail. Oh well. Bye. See you guys later. Peace.